What's up, guys? So today we're gonna test out these new, hard to get on camera, shattered rounds that I got. They are, I believe, 3.8 or 3.9 gram, somewhere around there. And we are gonna be testing them out in Byrna LE. Byrna EP. I'm tired today, guys. Byrna EP, not LE, EP. Says right there. And we are going to do a 7-round mag and then a 5-round mag. And we're just going to see what the FPS comes up on these things. That's all I want to see right now. And then tomorrow or sometime we will do a damage test to see what we get. So let's get this going here. Not sure how I can angle the camera so you guys can see. Well, I'm gonna go back to them anyways. So let's give these bad boys a try. Again, these are the shattered rounds, glass breakers. These are designed to go through building glass, unlike for cars. So let's see. Byrna EP. Here we go. 262. Not too bad. That'll hurt. 266. And what I'm talking, you guys, when I shoot, it's gonna be, you see my other video, it's gonna be close to close, face to face almost. So they're definitely gonna hurt somebody. 260. 265. These are consistent. I like these bad boys. 262. 255 and 256. Not bad numbers. I love the EP, you guys. When I say I'm looking to buy another one, I'm literally looking to get an orange for carry. Other than when I do security, but for in the car. All right. Well, it's nice and cool on here now from the CO2. Let's see what we get out of these next 5 rounds. And then I'll review the numbers with you guys. 252. 243. 242. 237. 235. All right, I believe that's all. The indicator flap is down. And that is all there. So I like these things, you guys. I really like them. Again, they are the shattered glass breaker projectiles, .68 cal, 50 of them in there, designed for building glass. And we all know that glass is like an inch thick for buildings. All right, so let's check out these numbers here. Let me count here. Okay, so 12 shots. So I'm going to take the phone off while I do this so you guys can see better. All right, so that's a 12 shot right there. Reflections in there. That'll have to work for you guys. So 235. There we go. 235 was a 12 shot. 11 shot. It just counts backwards, you guys. 237. 242. 243. 252. First mag, this is where I take in consideration you're only going to really be needing one mag. You should not need no more if you shoot the person in the right place. So this would be a first mag. The 7th shot was 256. The 6th shot, 255. Fifth shot, 262. 4th shot, 265. Not a bad number for a little heavier round. 3rd shot, 260. 2nd shot, 266. 1st shot, first pull, 262. I'm pretty happy with these, you guys. They are not easy to find either. I can't remember how I came across them, but it was, I Googled Byrna ammo or something like that, and then a bunch of different sites came up, and this one had these ones. So anyways, like, share, subscribe, you guys. Give a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I am going to try out the, I can't even remember the thumpers, the thumper rounds next. And we will see with the Pro Chrono to get better accurate readings. Because I got a new battery now for this, I've been forgetting. So I'll be using this more, better accuracy. So anyways, guys, I'm going to try out the thumpers next. I'll probably post these videos kind of both together. So who knows which one will pop up first, but look out for the other video, and God bless all of you, and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I love the Byrna EP, and you guys are going to see me eventually buy another one, an orange one. So trust me, when I say I believe in Byrna, I believe in Byrna. It's where you're going to put those rounds that matter. Ask anybody. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys.